Are you tired of unknown or spam calls on your iPhone? Well, Apple has added a feature in iOS 26 that will fix your issue, so you'll want to follow my steps and watch this video until the end. If your phone keeps ringing with numbers you don't recognize, or worse, scam calls, Apple's new call screening feature in iOS 26 is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn on call screening on your iPhone. It's easy to set up, and once it's on, your iPhone will automatically answer unknown callers for you, ask who's calling and why, and then show you their response in text, so you can decide whether to pick up or not. So, first of all, before we hop into the Settings app, you'll need to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 26 software update or later. I suppose that you're already running iOS 26, so we can continue to the next step. I'm going to open the Settings app on my iPhone, and then I'll scroll all the way towards the bottom until you see this Apps section. And then you'll be presented with all of these different apps, but we'll want to go down a bit because we need our phone app settings. Here it is, and let's open this. This will open another page in the settings where you'll be able to see a lot of different options related to your phone app, but the phone screening option will be shown when we scroll a bit. You'll see a section called Calls from Unknown Numbers, and here's our new option called Screen Incoming Calls. So let's enable this option. It says here that calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before the iPhone rings. From now on, your phone will quietly answer unknown callers, ask who they are and why they're calling, and show you that info as a message, so you can decide if it's worth picking up. It's a simple way to stop unwanted calls and take back control of your time. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone.